Them poisonous?
They're more deep. They're insect when they're sitting there.
Shit. Because I put everything to one side.
Spirit and a sanitizer stuff.
And a kerosene. Take a kerosene out of it.
Sanitizer.
Yes?
Yeah.
Well.
And I get it as the boy from here and
I mean, you say you're not toxic like kerosene then. So I best think this room. Like kerosene, I get the fumes off of it. Yeah, that makes sense. What you say, call it? Alcohol and antiseptic shit.
I want to nurse at home. You get on the backside. No, I'm on that, you know.
Just one car? C'est powerful.
You what?
Shit.
You think it now burn, right?
Dark club.
It a burn, man. One of the fast sketch, which you look more in the board. And we can't take the back and turn in the world back to catch a fire. Get them to me already.
Shit.
How come me not no more brother and sister? I ain't doing so hot. He said, yo, they will kill me to ass.
What is it? Hold me on no more brother and sister and what?
How comes she not no more brother and sister? And in this so hot. And he said, you want they will kill me to ass. Of course, we couldn't come from.
How much you normally make you go to?
3 to 350.
350? Shit.
Reach me short at the fridge.
So yes, you take out them, put it in.
Yeah, trust me. Tomorrow, come from church. Yeah, not that tough. We just put the something upon it. Tap me, read it and knock it out. Yeah, my boy going like say, behind the cap and he's smart on me.
When you say in a season the fish already? Oh shit.
Corn snake. Scare the hell out of me.
Them poisonous?
Them more yeast. The insect when they're sitting there.
Shit. Oh, you ever get him out?
Yeah, we get out to circle out the man. I'm going to run go down my bottom.
You sure it's not poisonous?
No, sir. King now.
Let's see.
In long though.
Yeah, man, skin pretty. I never when it want him as a pet.
Give me.
Still I look for his name, man. So why you stay so far?
You know, see him again.
See snake on your foot there, with it.
Snake for dinner. Snake, 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 snake. I wonder if any ching chong 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 watching me. Gonna eat piece of the snake with me. Let's go catch that snake and try to eat. Come, we're going to catch that snake and try Doesn't make it sour before.
You can pause. I'll leave fish here further.
I put this snake there. Jesus, man. In that drop from there.
She would have failed for sure.
So frightening, can't run.
No.
No, I'm not chicken.
Yeah, si mom just use her hand. That answer your question. If it had bun up. Yes, I look for your snake with it.
How my friend?
Sure?
I don't want to rush it. Then do good. I don't want them. This one go more on that side. And they're so good.
So there Louis in a bush a search.
You should do one black board that too, you know. I mean, I tell you. But then that bash me, your mother.
You don't know, say more coming together better.
Yeah.
Good or bad?
You go on them shot.
Yes, exactly. I'm that? Yeah.
Put him alone.
But mom love watch him too, you know.
I watch him again. I come and sense me, I watch me never know see him in it. Trust me, I feel it a little boy there. Or I kill a little boy. Innocent fitness.
Lewis just want to remain relevant. But it don't work. Him definitely think out of the box. This is some sin what him do.
Him and Andrew Wellness they at war. Andrew Wellness no like him.
For real.
And him no like Andrew Wellness.
Andrew Wellness call his name.
Andrew Wellness no deal with him. I tell Andrew Wellness about must have $3 billion US dollar. How much billion US dollar? Them have to give US, give Jamaica. And Andrew Wellness the figure down Bank of Jamaica go sign sitting down there. The money lodge in the bank and Jones run him from him.
Really? It happened for real?
Andrew Wellness the other day said, what part time mother if you go eat out? I was like, oh my God. I don't say you believe in a God.
Look like you're not afraid to get broke foot.
The man say him a godly man. And hear my cousin breed a bad.
Well, if you ask me, him definitely think out of the box. Something what me see him do, he would have definitely go viral.
That go what?
Him definitely would have go viral, because him definitely think out of the box. And this one of mom did that talk, say one turn. Yes.
Good. Let me bring this over some. Alright, let me put a few oil on.
So what you have to do is call Daddy. Make sure it's Daddy phone you call in, not Grandma phone.
Yeah, it says it's his picture. It's his picture.
No, you're calling the wrong phone.
But me a well jerk mom. Well jerk and ready.
Oh, what so?
Me say I hope so. You know, look so. You know? Yeah, the curry go too? Right. Curry go, me usually love them sitting there before me tap eat meat, you know. Sorry.
Alright, call Daddy. Daddy outside in his car.
Good curry good.
You have to call him on his phone. I think watch him hook it up with the phone. And it hook up with another phone there, so I don't know. Okay, call. Emperor my foot. Something them. Hold him command pan. Hold him the he changed. That is the next one. I know, your sister got called.
Pop's good, you know.
I'm going to get the phone, the case here. So, what's here? No, it's my phone this? But I said, Miss send you something to Raphael, but I
Oh,
did.
I was wondering.
This.
The mate.
So I'm because we're going to subscribe to the channel.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. I just send it to him. I just send it. He said I must send it to him, so I send it to him.
Mom say hopefully.
He said I must send it, so I send it. So I hope him and his son subscribe.
So I use the watermelon as a stand.
Give him 10,000 and he get your visa to come to America.
60,000.
Oh, 60,000.
60,000 Jamaican dollar.
Yeah.
I wish Obi man him I work with.
He said he had the biggest hobby in the world, man.
He said, he man say, he a master mason.
Thank you. No.
A sample man, if you ask me.
The principal.
You think we should have
This
so much
man
in
the
it?
whole world.
Nah, put on some.
Say, him and Shani, them
Put
not
on
in
some
the
milk,
And
Canada.
Shani, them never, and nobody was asking me Shani to sleep. Well, I'm right.
Nah, put up no more, you know.
No.
No, put up all that.
Somebody leave now.
And
And then now,
And you go eat out of this too?
me?
I ride on the principal road.
You.
Yes, we need. When me go eat, you must be tired. You know why me to eat no food?
No, look so man.
Yes, thank you. And I ride on the road to jail and turn.
And you can't find him, so shut up.
Where is the mega man?
You be not strong enough.
The people with demand, because this is now public investigation. Say that a private investigation, because that's a murder.
Man son is a master mason.
Because there was a murder in the
Him is a master thief.
You pops try chicken wing too? I know.
Me want to know if you want to eat.
because that is public.
You know, chicken wings, yes, okay.
Once you can sell the footage of yourself, ever sell the footage of yourself now, because we know what's
Some of them burn.
You have to link everybody who the camera catch on that part there and pay them a thing called disclaimer. If you know say you pay them, if you pay them, what is that?
Pour it to the goat.
Good job. To all my viewers,